All right, everybody, here we are at the Share and Publish tab where you can see you have lots of options down here, which is a beautiful thing. One thing I do want to point out is the Publish area here, as well as the Publish area here. Now, if there is something that needs to be published for your tour, there would be a number up in this red circle. Also, if you're within the tab as we are, this would be filled with blue, so you would know that you need to publish something for that tour. Once you do have everything published and it is ready for the public eye, you can share out however you see fit. As you can see, there's a media view and a map view. Jason, what are the differences? Great question. When you are in the map view, the media view, this is what you'll see here. If you click into the mini map here, this is the map view. So it's your choice on how you want to share your tour right here, media or map view. Down below, you'll see you have the option to share directly to Facebook, directly to Twitter, and directly to LinkedIn. If you want to use it for an email campaign, some other means of social media, you can, of course, click this copy button right here. Now, if you do choose map view, you'll see that the code automatically changes. So you'll have that query string there, as well as in the embed frame, iframe as well. The code automatically changes, so you don't need to do anything except click copy here or here if you decide to iframe into your website. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Very easy. Any questions, please feel free to reach out to your client success manager and have a beautiful day.